Petrol boat fleet. Author Stevens has more.
The white paper, which was released on Friday, also reveals the Australian government remains committed to buy the advanced Lockheed Martin F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, which is due to enter service around 2020. But as a hedging strategy, the Royal Australian Air Force will acquire 12 additional Super Hornets with potent electronic warfare Growler technology, taking its fleet to 36. The government will also bring forward the replacement of the Navy's Armidale-class patrol boats, which are used to intercept asylum seeker boats arriving in Australian waters. As well, the Navy's supply ships HMAS Sirius and HMAS Success will be replaced as soon as possible. The white paper is also much more conciliatory towards China than the last strategy document released in 2009, which warned against China's growing military might in the Asia-Pacific region. It says Australia welcomes China's rise, which has brought positive economic benefits on Australia. I'm Arthur Stevens in Melbourne for Voice of Nigeria.
And Royal Bank of Scotland's chairman, Sir Philip Hampton, has said